lahat ng inimbita natin, lahat na sinama natin sa committee, nandito lahat sila. Players, media, official, dumating lahat yung 10 na inimbitahan natin. Kaya nagpapasalamat talaga ako sa kanila na nabuo namin. Ito naman hindi ngayon lang. Sa tingin ko, mga 3 to 4 meetings to bago makuha yung 10 greatest. Kasi ang higpit, ang daming magagaling na players.
Masaya, we're very happy. I'm glad to see some of my old friends, legendary players katulad nila Ramon, ni Atoy at saka ni Alan. They're not only good players, they were also good leaders. Alam natin may smartness sila. They have the intelligence to pick the right people to be part of the 10 players that will be selected. Plus they're also very articulate. Very comfortable. We've been together for many years now. And we know that medyo nakakaintindi naman lahat kami. We've seen many of the games from the early years up to the present, and we're still very active in it.
Happy and thankful to Commissioner Marshall for choosing me as one of the members of the selection committee. I'm really proud and happy to be as a member. And I will try to come up with my honest to goodness selection, or depending on my criteria, how I see all these players I'm going to put in. As of now, I cannot tell you yet to whom all the players I'm going to choose.
Number one is you really have to have the talent and the skill that's very evident. I mean, anybody that's watching the game, alam mo kaagad, magaling ito. Magaling ito sa rebounding, magaling ito sa scoring, magaling ito dumipensa. This guy is a team player. This guy is a winner. This guy is a championship type of player. Number two, I think, is longevity. Tumagal ka na-contribute mo ng mahaba. Siyempre, may iba naman, 1 year, maganda laro. Next 3 years, wala na sila doon. So you can't consider him to be a great, one of the big. So it's longevity plus the contribution that you give. And I think in our modern society, also, if you notice, most of our players, they do a lot of outreach. Mabait sila sa mga tao. Kung pwede sila makatulong, lalo na sa pag-improve ng skills ng ating mga bata, I think they do so. I think all of this is part of showing the type of person that you are. So it's very important that you do all of these things to be even considered. Sometimes they say championships, but it's not necessarily a championship. Some players may have been really great, but they just didn't have enough in their teams to win a championship. But they have really proven themselves also.
Yung impact sa akin, parang mas nalaman ng tao lahat na kung gaano kagaling mag-basketball nung araw. Lalong-lalo na kasi doon sa mga kabataan na hindi ako napanood, di ba? Pero doon sa mga matatandang nakapanood ako, for sure, wala silang duda na kasama ko doon sa greatest players.
Sa mga fans, kahit sino naman wala tayong masasatisfy. Parang katulad na sinabi ko nga sa kanila kanina, hindi na natin masasatisfy lahat. Iba't iba yung opinion natin, pero iisa lang tayo. Kaya mahirap. Hindi natin masasatisfy lahat. Pero ginagawa namin lahat. Ginagawa ng committee lahat para talagang mapiga yung magagaling. 50th anniversary, April 9 po, meron kaming celebration regarding the greatest. Yung October 5, yun po ang start ng 50th natin. Yun, madami po yun. Madami po yung gimmick doon. At ngayon pa lang, iniimbitahan po namin yung lahat na naglaro sa PBA. Makasama namin kayo sa October 5. Maglalabas po kami ng numbers, cellphone numbers na pwedeng tawagan. Yung mga nakakakilala sa mga players na nakakarating yung message namin. Baka anak nyo, kaibigan nyo, o barkada nyo itong player na to, pakasabihan na kontakin kami para makasama po sa grand celebration natin sa October 5.